Hi guys, this is Arjita and today we'll be creating this beautiful and simple card. I'll be using few Memento markers and a water brush. I'll also use a Misti tool and a stamp by Altenew. So what I'm doing is I'm using my markers and coloring all the leaves of this particular stamp, and this is also called selective coloring, and markers are the best for this. So I'll just make sure that my card piece is at the right position every time I stamp, and a stamping tool like this really helps and makes it very easy. So moving on to the mauves, I first stamped my flowers using some Lavender, which is a very pale lavender color, and I just love this. So this is the first impression, and again making sure that the card is at the right place and filling in all the leaves using my marker. So you essentially can do wonderful cards using just markers, and you don't need the full ink pads. So here you can see that I'm adding sweet plum at various places, and just dabbing it around so that I have few shades and there is a nice blending between the two lavender shades. So this almost looks complete, and I love this way of quick coloring, and it makes it look as if I've taken a lot of effort. So just keep doing and dabbing the color and stamping it at the right place. So this is almost done, and I just want to add a little water around the leaves, and for that I'll scribble a little ink from the bamboo leaves onto my pad. Before that, we need to finish with a sentiment, and selected a one which says thank you. I'll also place it on the card and pick it up with my Misti, and I'm next gonna stamp it using the marker in the shade Sweet Plum. So this is almost done, and the card looks so artistically done and beautiful. This is very easy to mass produce, and you can just make a lot of note card sets in different colors. And here you can see that I'm just adding a little green shade in the leaves, and I'm picking it up with my water brush. So this is almost done, and I hope you enjoyed this card. If you did, please let me know, and do recreate it and share it with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.